Um, Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more JEE Mains previous year questions on the chapter statistics. So any doubts, if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comments, so that we can give more clarity on it. And obviously we shall clarify it. And please install our Sapience education application also, where we shall upload some important questions on the previous year JEE Mains exam, which shall be obviously helpful for your exam. So here it has been told in the very first question that if the variance of this given frequency distribution is 160, then the value of C belongs to NS. So it means C should be a natural number. So here is a group frequency distribution. So first we have to write X, then X. So these are Xi, we have to know Xi square, then we have to do Fi(xi), then we have to do Fi(xi) square. So since why we know that the variance of X, that will be given as summation of Fi(xi) square by n minus of summation Fi(xi) by n whole square. So this is the mean. So and this is the mean of the squares minus mean square. So now Xi values, they are C, 2C, 3C, 4C, 5C, and 6C. And Xi square will be C squared, 4C squared, then 9C squared, then 16C squared, then 25C squared, then 36C squared. Then Fi into Xi, we have to do FIR 2, 1, and all that. Fi 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So Fi into Xi, that will be 2C, and this will be also 2C. This is 3C, this is 4C, this is 5C, this is 6C, and then Fi into Xi squared, that is equal to 2C squared, then 1 into 4C squared. Then this will be 9C squared, then 16C squared, then 25C squared, then 36C squared. Then we have to do summation 5, which is capital N. Capital N is sum of all the frequencies. That will be 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 7. And then summation Fi(xi), that will be 2C plus 2C, so 4C, 4C plus 3C, that is 7C, 7C plus 4C, that is 11C, 11C plus 11C, that is 22C. And summation Fi(xi) square, so that will be 2C square plus 4C square, that is 6C square, 6C square into 6C square plus 9C square, that is 15C square, 15C square plus 25C square, that is 40C square, 40 plus 16, that is 40 plus 36, that is 76, 76C square plus 16C square, so that will be 2,789 into C square. Therefore, we can say that the variance of X, that is equal to summation Fi(xi) square, so 92C square by 7 minus this is 22C by 7 whole square. That is given as 160. So it means that we can take the LCM will be 49. This will be 7 into 92C square minus 22C square, that is 484C square, is equal to 160. Then this will be 7 2s of 14. So we have 14, 763, 64 minus 484C square, that is equal to we can take C square as common, so this will be 644 minus 484C square, that is equal to 160 into 49. So therefore C square will be equal to 160 into 49 divided by case, and this is 0 and 14 minus 8, that is 6. It's 160. So 160 cancels, so c square equal to 49. So therefore c will be equal to plus or minus 7. But here is told c should be a natural number, so c should be 7. So option D is the correct answer. And here it is told the frequency distribution of the age of students, a class of 40 students is given below. Ages are given and the number of students for each age are also given. If the mean deviation above the median is 1.25, frequency distribution of the age of the students in a class of 40 students is given below. So which is 40 students, that means that 5. So sum of the frequency, that is 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 12 plus x plus y, that is equal to 40. So this is equation 1. That means x plus y, that will be equal to 40 minus this is 10, this is 20, so 20 plus 10, that is 30, so 40 minus 30, that is equal to 10. Therefore, x plus y is 10, so this is equation 1. If the mean deviation about the median is 1.25. There are 40 students, so it means n by 2 equals to 20. So we have to take the cumulative frequency here. So the age has been told. Ages are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The number of students, that is the frequency. So that is 5, 8, 5, 12, x and y. Y I can write 10 minus x also. 10 minus x. Then cumulative frequency we have to find. Cumulative frequency, that is this is 5. Then this will be 5 plus 8, that is 13. 13 plus 5, that is 18. 18 plus 12, that is 30. 30 plus x, that is 30 plus x. And this will be 40. So now here we can say n plus n by 2 is 20. So it means therefore we need to take the median. Median is actually the mean deviation. So median will be n by, since there are even number of observations, so it will be the mean of the n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2 we have to do. So n by 2th observation, that is the 20th observation, that is okay. Since my 18th observation is 17, so 19th observation will be also 18. The 20th observation is also 18 plus 21st observation is also 18. So that by 2, that is 18. So we have to find the mean deviation about the median. So the median is 18. Median is 18. So these are xi. So we have to find the deviations. Deviations, that is di, which is xi minus the median value, which is m, which is 18. So the mean, so the deviation are 15 mod of, so the mean deviation about median, that will be equal to summation fi into mod of xi minus m by n. So therefore the age which are xi, that is given as 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we have to do mod of xi minus 18, since 18, 15 minus 18 mod, that is 3. 16 minus 18 more, that is 2. 17 minus 18, that is 1. Minus 18, 0. 19 minus 18, 1. 21 minus 18. And we have to put xi into xi mod of xi minus 18. So frequencies are 5, 8, 5, 12 xy. Fi is 5, 8, 5, 12 x and 10 minus x. So Fi into that, this is 15, 8 to the 16, 5 on the 5, 0, 0, 0. Then x into 1, which is x, then 20 minus 2x. Now, therefore, in deviation of the median, in deviation of the median, which is 18, that would be equal to summation fi into mod of xi minus 18 by fi is divided by summation fi, which is n. Summation fi in that is 40 is stored. So this will be sum of all these. So it will be 15 plus 5, that is 20, 36. 36 plus 20, that is 50. 50 plus x minus 2x, so that is 50 minus x. Sorry, this is 36, 20 plus 16, 20 plus 16, that is 36, plus 20, that is 56. This is 56 minus x. This is 56 minus x. 56 minus x divided by fi, that is 40. So 56 minus x divided by 40, and that is equal to 1.25. Then we have to find out x 4x plus 5. Therefore, I can say that 56 minus x, that is equal to 1.25. 1.25 means 5 by 4 into 40. Since 1.25 means 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. Okay, so 10, so that is 50. So x will be equal to 56 minus 50, that is 56 minus 50, that is equal to 6. So x is 6. So therefore, y will be equal to 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. So therefore, we have to find out the value of 4x plus 5y. 4x plus 5y, so that is 4 into 6 plus 5 into 4. So this is 24 plus 20, so that is equal to 44. So option C is the correct answer. So here the mean and the standard deviation of 20 observations are found to be 10 and 2 respectively. Mean and the standard deviation. So the mean of 20 observations is 10, and the standard deviation, that is sigma, that is 2. Because we know that the variance of x, sigma x, that is 2. So variance of x, that is sigma x square. So that will be obviously 4. On rechecking, it was found that an observation by mistake was taken 8 instead of 2. And the correct standard deviation is observation by mistake was taken 8 instead of 2. So if 8 is taken, so let's say the 20th observation is 12 actually. It is 12, but it was mistakenly taken as 8. It was mistakenly taken as 8. So now the correct standard deviation we have to find. Let's say, we call it sigma x dash. Let me find that. So now therefore we can say x1 plus x2 plus dot dot plus x90 plus x20, that is 8, was taken as 8, divided by 20, that is given as 10. So therefore I can say x1 x2 plus till x90, that will be equal to 200 minus 8. 200 minus 8, so that is 192. 192. And sigma x square, that is 4. So variance, as we know, summation xi square by n minus summation xi by n whole square. So that is given as 4. Now it means x1 square plus x2 square plus dot dot plus x19 square plus 8 square divided by 20 minus the mean, which is 10 square, that is equal to 4. So therefore we can say summation means we can take the sum of x1 square till x19 square. So x1 square plus x2 square plus plus x19 square. So that will be equal to, this is 4 plus 100, that is 104. 104 into 20 minus 64. Now therefore the correct mean that will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus dot dot plus till x19 plus 12 divided by 20. So x1 to x19, the sum is actually 192. 192 plus 12 by 20, so that is 204 divided by 20. 204 divided by 20, that is 2 times 20, 2102. So this is 10.2. So, and therefore the correct standard deviation that will be x1 square plus x2 square plus till x19 square plus 12 square divided by 20 minus the correct mean square. So we are finding the correct variance. This is the correct variance, and the standard deviation will be the square root of that. So this will be equal to, now the sum that is given, this is actually 2 4 the 8 0 2 on the 2 0 minus 64 plus 144 divided by 20 minus 10.2 whole square. So this will be equal to 2080 plus this will be 80 actually, divided by 20 minus 10.2 whole square. So this will be equal to 16, so 160. So 2160 by 20 minus 10.2 whole square. So this will be 2 1s are 2, 3 is 16. So this is 108 minus 10.2 whole square. This will be actually 108 minus, this is 10.2 whole square, means this is 10 square 100 plus 0.2, so plus 0.04 plus 2ab. So 2 into 0.2, 0.4 into 10, that is 4. So this will be 108 minus 104.04. So this will be actually 3.96. So hence, therefore, the correct standard deviation, that will be square root of 3.96. 3.96. So option B is the correct answer. So here it is told that let alpha and beta belongs to R. So then let the mean and variance of 6 observations minus 3, 4, 7, minus 6 alpha beta be 2 and 23 respectively. The mean deviation above the mean of these 6 observations is. The first alpha and beta values we have to find out. Therefore, the mean, which is x bar, that is obviously sum of all the terms by the number of terms, which is 6. So this will be minus 3 plus 4 plus 7 minus 6 plus alpha plus beta divided by 6. That is equal to 2. So then I can say that this will be 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus alpha plus beta, that is equal to 12. So alpha plus beta, that would be equal to 10. Alpha plus beta is 10. And then the variance of x, that will be equal to sum of the squares to the mean of all the squares minus the mean square. So it means therefore the variance of x, that will be equal to summation xi square. So we have to square them in that. So that will be 9 plus 16 plus 49 plus 36 plus alpha square plus beta square by 7. Sorry, by 6. There are 6 terms. So divided by 6, that will be equal to 23. Then therefore I can say alpha square plus beta square, that will be equal to 23 into 6 minus of 9 plus 16 plus 49 plus 36. It means this will be 3, 6, 18. If you total 138 minus, then 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 36, that is 61, 61 plus 49, so this will be 50 plus 60, that is 110. 110. So this will be equal to 28. So alpha square plus beta square is 28, and alpha plus beta whole square, that equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So this will be equal to 28 plus plus 2 alpha beta. That will be equal to 100. 100. So therefore, I can say 2 alpha beta, that will be equal to 100 minus 28, that is equal to 72. Now therefore alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square, or this will be alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. So this alpha square plus beta square we have found, that is 28. 8 minus sorry, it's actually wrong. Variance will be mean of the squares minus mean squared. So minus mean squared is minus 2 square. So that is equal to 23. Therefore alpha square plus beta square, that will be equal to 23 plus 4, that is 27 into 6 minus of 9 plus 16 plus 49 plus 36. Alpha square plus beta square, so this will be 6 7 is 42, 6 is 12, 162 minus this is 25 plus 36, 5 plus 36, that is and that is 61, 61 plus 49, 50, 3 plus 60, that is 110. So this is equal to 51. Now therefore alpha minus beta whole square, so that will be equal to alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, and then alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So therefore I can say this will be 10 square minus 51, that is equal to 2 alpha beta. So therefore 2 alpha beta, that will be 100 minus 51, so that is 49. So alpha minus beta whole square will be alpha plus beta whole alpha square plus beta square, that is 51 minus 49, so that is equal to 2. It's 52 actually. So this will be 48. The alpha beta is 48. 1. So this is 52 minus 48. 52 minus 48. So this is equal to 4. So alpha minus beta whole square, that is equal to 4. So alpha minus beta, that is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore alpha plus beta we have found it as 10. So therefore 2 alpha, that will be if we take the plus sign, we take the positive sign, means is equal to 2, then we can say you take it as 2 only, then it will be 2 alpha, that is equal to 12. So alpha will be equal to 6 and beta will be equal to 14. Therefore, the mean deviation about the mean of these 6 observations. So the mean deviation about the mean solution. So that is summation mod of xi minus x bar divided by n. So mean is 2. Mean is 2. So this is the observations are minus 3, 4, 7, minus 6, alpha that is 6, and beta that is 4. These are the observations, and the mean value is 2. For the mean deviation, we have to find about the mean. This will be minus 3 minus 2 mod of that, that is 5, plus 4 minus 2 is 4, plus 7 minus 2 that is 5, plus minus 6 minus 2 that is 8, plus 6 minus 2 that is 4, plus 4 minus 2 that is 2 divided by 6. So this will be 10 plus that is 12 plus 8 plus 6 that is 14 divided by 6. So that is, this is 26 by 6. This will be equal to 13 by 3. Option D is the correct answer. Then here is to consider 10 observations x1, x2 to x10 such that summation xi minus alpha is equal to 2 and summation xi minus beta square equal to 40, where alpha and beta are positive integers. Let the mean and the variance of the observations be 6 by 5 and 84 by 25 respectively. Then beta by alpha is equal to alpha and beta are positive integers with the mean and the variance of the observations be this and this respectively. Then beta by alpha is equal to mean means x bar, that is summation xi by 10, since the number of difference is 10, and that is equal to 6 by 5 is equal to 6 by 5, and the variance of x, that is equal to summation xi square by 10 minus x bar square, that is equal to 84 by 25. And beta by alpha you have to find out. That means summation xi, that will be equal to 6 by 5 into 10, that is equal to 12. Summation xi square, that will be equal to 84 by 25 plus 6 by 5 whole square of this thing into 10. It means summation xi square, that is equal to 84 plus 6 is a 36 by 25 into 10. So this will be 84 plus 36, 36 plus 4, that is 40, 40 plus 50, that is 120, 120 by 25 into 10. This will be 5, 5 into 5, 5 to the 10, then 5 to the 10, 5 to the 20, so this is 48. So now therefore summation xi minus alpha that is equal to 2. Therefore I can write summation xi minus summation alpha means 10 times 10 alpha. It is equal to 2. So therefore 10 alpha will be summation xi that is 12 minus 2. It is 10. So therefore alpha will be equal to 1. Alpha is equal to 1. Now beta we have to find out. So now summation xi minus beta whole square that is equal to 40. Therefore, I can say summation this will be xi square plus beta square minus 2 xi into beta that is equal to 40. Therefore, I can say summation xi square plus beta square into 10 since 10 times you have to add this minus 2 beta into summation xi that is equal to 40. Therefore, I can say summation xi square that is 48, 48 plus 10 beta square minus summation xi that is 12. So 12 to the 24, 24 beta equal to 40. So this will be 10 beta square minus 24 beta plus 8 that is equal to 0. So it will be 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 24, 2 4s are 8. So I can say this will be 5 beta square minus 10 beta. Since from here 2 I can take as common and I can cancel. Plus then 5 4s are 20 and 10 2s are 20. So 5 beta square minus 10 beta minus 2 beta plus 4 that is equal to 0. So it means 5 beta I can take as common. So beta minus 2 into beta minus 2 that is equal to 0. So beta will be equal to either 2 or 2 by 5. 2 or 2 by 5. Therefore, beta by alpha. Alpha is 1 only. So beta by alpha also can be 2 or 2 by 5. So it means on option A it is 2. So option A is the correct. It is told that the median and the mean about the let the median and the mean deviation about the median of 7 observations 170, 125, 230, 190, 210 A, B is 170 and 205 by 7 respectively. Then the mean deviation about the mean of these 7 observations is. Now, therefore, we have to arrange them in the ascending order first. So, median is 170, it has been told. That means 125. So there are 7 observations. So 7 plus 4, 170 should be the 4th observation. Since why if when there are odd number of observations, then n plus 1 by 2th observation will be the median. Now here, so it will be 7 plus 1 by 2, that is the 4th observation. 4th observation should be 170. So it means if we arrange them in the ascending order, then it should be 125, 125, then right, then this 190, 200, then 190, 210 and 230 should be the last 3 observations. The first 3 should be 125, A, B, and 170. So hence we can say 170 is the median. Now, a mean deviation about the median we find. So therefore, the deviations are 170 minus 125 and mod of that we will take. So that will be 45 plus 170 minus A, mod of that, plus 170 minus B, plus this is 0, plus 20, plus this is 40, plus 230 minus 170, that is 60. Divided by, so the mean deviation means summation di by d bar, right? Mean deviation about the median divided by 7, and that is given as 205 by 7. 5 by 7. So therefore, I can say this 45 plus this 20 plus 40 is 60. 20 plus 40, that is 60. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 170 minus A plus mod of 170. So this is less than 170. 170 minus B. Mod we can remove since A and B are obviously less than 170. Since here we have arranged them in the ascending order only. So divided by 7, that is equal to 205 by 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. This is 165 plus this will be 340 minus of A plus B. That is equal to 205. So therefore, A plus B, that will be equal to this 5 plus 4, that is 10. So 505 minus 205. So A plus B, that is 300. A plus B, that is 300. Then the mean deviation about the mean that we find out. And the mean deviation. So this was the mean deviation about median, and the mean deviation about the mean that we have to find out. Now therefore the mean value we have to find out. So that will be the sum of all the terms, that is 125 plus 117 squared then. Therefore the mean will be 125 plus A plus B, that is 300 plus 170 plus 190 plus 210 plus 230 divided by 7. So that will be equal to 55 plus 170, that is 295. 95 plus 300, that is 595 plus 190 plus 10, that is 200. 200 plus 200, 400, 400 plus 230, that is 630. So 595, this is 295 plus 10, 75 divided by 7. So this is 5, then this. This will, okay, 7 sevens of 49, then 105. 7 8 7 8 of 56, in the 56, 35, 7 5 is 35, plus 7 9 is 66. So this will be 90 plus 90, 180 minus 5 is 175. So mean is 175, therefore the mean deviation about the mean you have to find out. So this will be is 170 minus 175 minus 125, that is obviously 50 plus, now A and B both are less than 170. Are less than 170. So this would be 175 minus A, since A is less than 170 and B is also less than 170. So this will be 175 minus B plus 170 minus 175 mod of that. So that is 5 plus 190 minus 175, that is 15. Plus 210 minus 175, that is 35. Plus 230 minus 175, that is, this is 555, that is. Then that divided by 7. This would be 50 plus 20, that is 70. 70 plus 35 plus 55. So this is 40 plus 50, that is 90. Plus this is 175 plus 175. It's 175 into 2, that is 5 is 10. That is 350. 350 minus of A plus B divided by 7. So A plus B is 300, which we have already found. This is 70 plus 90 plus 50 divided by 7. So this will be 50 plus 90, that is 140. So 140 plus 70 by 7. So 7 tens are 14 plus 7 tens are 70. So that is 30. So the mean deviation above the mean, that is equal to 30. That means that option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told, let the mean and the variance of 6 observations be 55 and 194 respectively. If A is more than B, then A plus 3B is harmful. So the mean value, that will be equal to A plus B plus 68 plus 48 plus 44 plus 60 divided by, there are 6 observations, so 6, that is equal to 55. So therefore, I can say A plus B, that will be equal to 6, 55 into 6 minus of 68 plus, so it's 108, 60 plus 48 is 108 plus 44. Therefore, A plus B, that is equal to 6 5 is 30, 6 5 is 30, 33 minus this is 8 to the 16 plus 4 is 20 and 6 plus 4, that is 10, 10 plus 2, that is 12. So 20, 10, 10, 12, then 1 plus 1, that is 2. So therefore, A plus B, that is equal to 110. Then the variance of x, that will be equal to summation xi square by x minus x bar square, that is equal to 194. So summation xi square, it means this will be A square plus B square plus 68 square plus 48 square plus 44 square. Or we can also do it like this. Okay. This would be A square plus B square plus 68 square plus 48 square plus 44 square plus 60 square divided by 6 minus 55 square, that is equal to 194. So therefore, A square plus B square, that would be equal to 194 into 6 plus, sorry, it will be equal to 194 plus 55 square, this into 6 minus of this 68 square plus 48 square plus 44 square plus 60 square. So this will be equal to a plus 3b value we have to find out. For variance, we can do it like this. Variance of x is equal to summation xi minus x bar whole square by 6 by n. This way we can do. Where the values are very large, so we can use this formula also to find the variance. So this will be, here the number of observations is 6, so we have a 6 here. Then so this will be a minus 55 whole square plus b minus 55 whole square plus this is 68 minus 55, that is 13 square, plus 44 minus 55, that is 11 square, plus 48 minus 55, that is 7 square. Then plus 60 minus 55, that is 5 square, divided by 6, that is equal to 194. Therefore, I can say a minus 55 square plus b minus 55 whole square. So that is equal to 194 into 6 minus 169 plus 121 plus 49 plus 25. It means from here also we can say that a minus 55 plus b minus 55, that would be obviously equal to 0, since 110 can be written as 55 plus 55. So there's sum of these two is zeros, but so your squares. Let us take this is x, this is y, so x square plus y square, and x plus y is 0. So this is x square plus y square, that is equal to 194 into 6, which is 6 4s are 24. Okay. That is 1164 minus this is 169 plus 121 plus 39 plus 25, that is 364. So this will be equal to 800. So therefore, x and y is minus x, so I can say 2x square, that is equal to 800. So therefore, x square, that is 400. Therefore, x can be equal to plus or minus 20. X is plus or minus 20. Y. So therefore, y is equal to minus x. That means that y can be minus or plus 20. Now, suppose if I take x is 20, means if I take a minus 55 is 20, so then I will say a is 75 and b minus 55 and b minus 55 will be minus 20, then y will be minus 20 then, since y is minus of x. So then b will come 55 minus 20, that is 35. But this can't be, the a is more than b, so this we can use. But in the second case, if x is minus 20, then a will be 35 and b and y will become minus 20 and no, y will be plus 20 and b will become 75, which we can't take since y it is told a is more than b. So therefore, a should be 75 and b should be 35. Therefore, a plus bb, that is 75 plus 3 into 35. So that is equal to 75 plus 3 5s are 15. Yeah, 9, that is 10, 105. So 5 plus 7, that is 80. So it is 180. 180. So option A is the correct answer. Let M denote the median of the following frequency distribution. Then 20M is equal to M denote the median of the following frequency distribution. M is equal to. So we have to find the median. Now here we need to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will be 3, then 12, 12 plus 10, that is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30, then this is 36. So there are 36 observations. So therefore now the median class is so n by 2, n is 36, the sum of all the frequencies. Now n by 2, that is 18. So the class which is having cumulative frequency more than just more than n by 2, that is 18, that is this third class. So this is the median class. Now therefore median will be equal to median will be equal to L plus n by 2 minus c by 2f n by 2 minus c by f into h. L plus n by 2 minus c by f into h. So L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 8. 8 plus n by 2, that is 18. 18 yeah. Right. So here C is what? C is the so n by 2 is 18 and C is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. So cumulative frequency of that class will be 12. So C is 12 since it is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. 18 minus 12 by frequency F is the frequency of the median class, that is 10 into H. H is the class width, that is 4. So this will be 8 plus 6 by 10 to 4. This will be 8 plus 6 fours 24 by 10, that is 2.4. So it is 10.4. 10.4. So the median is 10.4. Now we have to find the value of 20n. So 20n is 20 into 10.4. So that is 2 into 104. That is equal to 208. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told if the mean and variance of 5 observations. So the mean is 24 by 5. The variance of x, that is 194 by 25 respectively, and the mean of the first 4 observations, that is 7 by 2, then the variance of the first 4 observations is equal to. So 5 observations are there, so it means that x1 plus x2 plus x3 till x5 by 5, that is equal to 24 by 5, since this is the mean. So therefore I can say, so the first 4 observations x, so then x, okay, so mean of the first 4 observations. So it means that it is given x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by 4, that is equal to 7 by 2. So therefore x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, that is equal to 7 by 2 into 4, that is equal to 14. That is 14. So therefore I can say 14 plus x5, that is by 5, that is equal to 24 by 5. So therefore x5, that is equal to 24 minus 14, that is equal to 10. So the fifth observation is 10. Now then the variance of the first 4 observations we have to find out. Now the variance, that is summation xi square by n is 5, that is equal to, okay, minus x bar square, that is equal to 194 by 25. So therefore summation xi square by 5, the y goes from 1 to 5, so that is equal to 194 by 25 plus 24 by 5 whole square. So therefore, I can say x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus x4 square plus 10 square, which is x5 square. That is equal to 5 into this, 5 into 194 plus 24 square, that is 676 divided by 24. 5 times 25. So therefore, I can say x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus x4 square. So that will be equal to so 608, so which is 676 plus 4, that is 680, 680 plus 190. So that will be 0, 9 2 0, 18, 17, so 6 plus 2, 8, 870 divided by 5 minus 100. 870 divided by 5 minus 100. It 170 by 5 minus 100. So this would be equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. 35, 5 fours are 20 minus 100. So that is equal to 76. So now, therefore, the variance of the first 4 observations, the variance of first 4 observations, so that will be equal to x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus x4 square divided by 4 minus the mean of the first 4. Mean of the first 4 observations, so that is 7 by 2 whole square. Mean of the first four observations, it's square. So this will be equal to 74 by 4 minus 49 by 4. That will be, so that is 75 minus 50, that is before, so 25 by 4. 25 by 4 by 4. Mean of the first four observations is 7 by 2. Sorry. This is yes, 24 square. So 24 square, it will be 20 plus 4 whole square. So this is 400 plus 16 plus 160. So that is 576. It is not 676, it is 576. It's 576. Okay. Plus 2, that is 6 or 580. This is 770. This is 75 minus 100. This 5 in the 5 by 25, 20. So this is on, this will be 54. This 54 minus 49 by 4. So that will be equal to, this will be 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is the required variance of the first four observations. So option A is the correct answer. Here it is told that A1 to A10 B10 observations such that summation AK that is equal to 50. Summation AK that is equal to 50. So therefore A1 A1 plus A2 plus dot dot plus A10 that is equal to 50. Summation AK into AJ that is 1100 for all K less than G. The standard deviation of 1 to A10 is equal to standard deviation of summation AK into AG that is equal to 1100 for all K less than G. So it means that it will go from 1 to 10, K and J will go from 1 to 10. So if you take A1, then A can be more than K, more than 1. So it will be A1, A2 I can take plus A1, A3 I can take plus A1, A10 I can take. A1, A10. Then plus A2 if I take, then A2 into A3 I can take, plus A2 into A4 I can take, and then from A2 to A10 I can take. Then plus A3, A4 I can take, then we till A3, A10 I can take. So on, it will go till A9, A10. That is equal to 1000. therefore, this you can say this should be actually the product of the sum of the products of any two numbers, any two observations taken in pairs. That's why here I will have 2 to 10, that is 9 terms. So variance we know that is equal to this. Actually it is called this, actually I can say. Therefore, if we take the square, if we take the whole square, if the a1 plus a2 plus will a10 whole square, then this will be actually, this will be the sum of the squares of all these. Sum of I goes from 1 to 10 square, plus this will be this one, summation ak summation akaj. So it will be 2 into twice of summation akaj for all k less than j, and k and j is going from 1 to 10. So this will come. So this value has been told. This is 1000. So therefore, now this sum is given as 50, k from 1 to 10. So this is 50 square plus 2 into 1100. No, 50 square is equal to 2 into 1100 plus this is summation ai summation ak square again. Ak square, k goes from 1 to 10. So therefore, summation ak square, it is equal to 2500 minus 2200. So that is equal to 300. So now therefore variance of x, variance of all the values a, that will be equal to summation ak square by 10 minus summation ak by 10 whole square, which is the mean of all the observations. So now therefore, this will be summation ak square, that is 300 by 10 minus this is 50 by 10 whole square. So this will be 30 minus 5 by 25. So this is equal to 5. Equal to 5. Option A is the correct answer. Then it is told if A, B, and C belongs to N and A is less than B is less than C, let the mean deviation about the mean and the variance of the 5 observations 9, 25, ABC be 18, 24, and 136 by 5 respectively, then 2A plus B minus C is equal to. Now the mean value, that is equal to 9 plus 25 plus A plus B plus C divided by, there are 5 observations, 5, that is equal to, still that is 18. So therefore A plus B plus C, that will be equal to 18 into 5 minus 25 plus 9, that is 34. That means A plus B plus C, that will be equal to 5 8 of 40 I get the 40, with the 40, 5 of the 5, 90 minus 34. Means that A plus B plus C, that will be equal to L3 minus 50, that is 60, 60 minus 2, that is 56. A plus B plus C is 56, and then mean deviation about the median, deviation about the mean. So that will be equal to summation mod of xi minus x bar by 5 by n. So that will be equal to 18, 9 minus 18 out of that, that is 9 plus 25 minus 18, that is 7 plus a minus 18 is mod of a minus 18 plus mod of b minus 18 plus mod of c minus 18 divided by 5, that is equal to 4. That means that 9 plus 7, that is 16 plus mod of 8 minus 18 plus mod of b minus 18 plus mod of c minus 18. That is equal to 20. But this sum is equal to 4. This sum is 4. And the variance that would be equal to summation xi minus x bar whole square by 4. So this would be 9 square, that is 81 plus 49 plus this would be a minus 18 whole square plus b minus 18 whole square plus c minus 18 whole square divided by 5, that is equal to 136 by 5. The 5 I can cancel, so therefore a minus 18 whole square plus b minus 18 whole square plus c minus 18 whole square, so that is equal to 136 minus this is 50 plus 50, that is 130, so this is equal to 6. So their sum is 4. Eighteen 3 is 54. So now from here I can say if I subtract 18 from all of them, so b minus 18 plus b minus 18 plus c minus 18, so that will be equal to 2. Because 56 minus 54, that is 2. That means B and C, I can tell that they are more than 80, but A is less than 80. The mode of that is coming more than this. So it means if I tell that B and C are more than 80, A is less than 80. Here, variance we can also write. Variance that we can also write, that is equal to summation xi square by n by n minus x bar square. So it means I can say this would be 9 square plus 25 square plus a square plus b square plus c square divided by 5 minus this is 18, that is 18 square, that is equal to 136 by 5. So therefore I can say a square plus b square plus c square, that will be equal to 136 by 5 plus 18 square, that is 334 into 5 minus 9 square, that is 81 plus 624. That means that a square plus b square plus c square, that will be equal to, this will be 136 plus this will be 5 4s are 20, is a 10, okay, 15, 16 minus this will be 6 and 706. So this would be a square plus b square plus c square. So that will be equal to 6 5 1756 minus 706. So this will be equal to 1050 50 and a plus b plus c we got it as 56. We got it as 56. Now here we consider that A is less than, so it is given A is less than B is less than C. Means that B and C are more than 18. We can take, suppose A is less than 18, but B and C are more than 18. Suppose if we consider this, so then you can say this mod, therefore we got the mod of A minus 18 will be 18 minus A, plus this will be B minus 18 plus C minus 18, and that will be equal to 4. 18, 18 that will cancel. Now then you get U minus A plus C, that is equal to 18 plus 4, that is 22. And A plus B plus C, that is equal to 56. So now therefore if we add them, then you get 2 into B plus C, that is equal to 2 into, or you can subtract them. If we subtract them, then 2A we will get A plus C minus of B minus C plus C. So that is 56 minus 22, that is 34. So A will be equal to 17. A will be 17. B plus C, that will be equal to 22 plus 17, that is 39. B plus C, that is 39. And B square plus C square, that will be equal to 1050 minus 17 square. 17 square 17 square, that is 749, 11, that is 289, minus 289. So 1050 minus 289, it will be 166, 761. B square plus C square, that is 761. And so B minus C whole square, that will be equal to B plus C whole square, that is 39 square. Okay, B square plus C square, okay, B plus C whole square, that is 39 square, that is equal to B square plus C square, 761 plus 2BC. So therefore 2BC will be 39 square minus 761. Therefore, now B minus C whole square, that would be equal to B plus C whole square, 39 square minus of 4BC. So that is 2 into this. So 2 into 39 square minus 761. That is simply 2 into 761 minus 39 square. This will be 12, that will 6 are 12, 14, 15 minus 39 square. So this will be equal to minus of so this is equal to 1. B minus C, that will be equal to 1. That will be equal to minus 1. Since why C is more than D. C is more than D. So therefore 2B, we are saying 2B will be equal to 38. So D will be equal to 19. B will be 19, then C will be equal to 20. So it means that A is 18, A is 17. So we have found out A is 17, and B is 19, and C is 20. So now, therefore, we have to find out 2A plus B minus C. So this will be 2 into A, that is 17, minus B, no, plus B, that is plus 19, minus C, that is 20. So this will be 34, 34 plus 19 minus 20, so that is minus 1, so that is 33. So 34 minus 1, that is 33. So 33 is the answer. So here it is told, let the mean and the standard deviation of the probability distribution is this, let the mu and sigma is equal to, if sigma minus mu equal to 2, then sigma plus mu is equal to mu, that will be equal to the mean value, that is the x into p of x, summation x into p of x. Summation xi into p of xi. So mu is equal to alpha by 3 plus k plus 0 minus 3 by 4. Sigma, which is the standard deviation, sigma square, that will be equal to summation xi square into p of xi minus mu square. So sigma square, that is equal to alpha square by 3 plus k plus 9 by 4 minus mu square. So mu square plus sigma square, that is equal to alpha square by 3 plus k plus 9 by 4. And mu is equal to alpha by 3 plus k minus 3 by 4. Now here it is told that sigma minus mu is equal to sigma. So sigma minus mu whole square equal to 5. So it means I can say sigma square plus mu square minus 2 mu sigma is equal to 4. It means this is we also know that sum of all the probabilities that will be 1. So summation p of xi that will be equal to 1. So therefore I can say that 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 plus k that is equal to 1. So therefore I can say k will be equal to 1 minus of, this is 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6, so 1 by 2 is 2 by 4. That is, since this will be 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6, so 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, that will be equal to this 1 by 4, so 2 by 4, so this is 3 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. So k is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, mu that is equal to alpha by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So that is minus 2 by 4, that is minus half. So mu is equal to alpha by 3 minus half. By 3 minus half. So from here I can say sigma is equal to mu plus 2. Therefore, mu plus 2 whole square plus mu square that is equal to alpha square by 3 plus k square plus k, that is 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. It means that 2 mu square 2 mu square plus 4 mu plus 4, that is equal to alpha square by 3 plus 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. Now, here mu is given as mu we have found, that is alpha by 3 minus half. So mu plus 2, that would be equal to alpha by 3 minus half plus 2. So that is to the 4 alpha by 3 plus 3 by 2. Therefore, I can say alpha by 3 plus 3 by 2 whole square plus alpha by 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to alpha square by 3 plus 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. So therefore, if we square them, then we get alpha square by 9 plus 9 by 4 plus 2ab 2 into alpha by 3 into 3 by 2 plus alpha square by 9 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 into alpha by 3 into half, that is equal to alpha square by 3 plus 5 by 2. So now it means 2 will cancel out, 2 will cancel, 3 will cancel. So then 2 alpha square by 9 plus this is 10 by 4, 10 by 4 minus alpha by 3, that is equal to alpha square by 3 plus 5 by 2. Since 2010 to 4, so 5 by 2 that will cancel out. So 2 alpha square by 9, or I can say this will be alpha square by 3 minus 2 alpha square by 9, 9 plus alpha by 3, that is equal to 0. So it means I can say 3 alpha square, this is alpha square by 9 minus alpha plus alpha by 3, that is equal to 0. So therefore, I will say that with 9 I can multiply, so this will be 3. So alpha into alpha plus 3, that is equal to 0. So alpha will be 0 or minus 3. Okay, so here also one alpha is there, so plus alpha minus alpha by 3, so that is plus 2 alpha by 3. So this will be minus 2 alpha by 3. So this is minus 6 alpha by 9. This is alpha square minus 6 alpha and plus 2 alpha by 3. This is alpha square by 3 minus 2 alpha square by 9 minus 2 alpha by 3, that is equal to 0. Then I will say alpha square by 9 minus 2 alpha by 3, that is equal to 0. So I can say alpha square minus 6 alpha, that is equal to 0. So it means alpha into alpha minus 6, that is equal to 0. So alpha will be equal to 0 or 6. Now, if alpha is 0, alpha is 0, alpha is 0, then we can say that alpha is 0, then mu will be equal to minus half, and sigma will be equal to sigma minus sigma is equal to mu plus 2. So 2 minus half, that is 3 by 2. Then sigma plus mu, that would be equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 1. And if alpha equal to 6, then mu will be equal to 6 by 3, 2 minus half, that is 3 by 2, Then sigma will be equal to 2 plus 3 by 2, that is to be a 4, 7 by 2. And then sigma plus v, that will be equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. So the answer can be either 1 or 5. So both answers can be correct. 1, so it is equal to 1 or 5. Then the variance sigma square of the data is. So here we have to find fi into xi. So this will be 0, 2 ones are 2, 5 is 15, this is 12, 16 is 60, 2 3s are 36, 17 3s are 51. And then we have to do xi square, fi into xi square. So this will be 0, 2 into 1 square 2, 3 into 5 square, 5 into 3 that is 75, and 36 into 2 that is 72, 100 into 6 that is 600, 144 into 3, 44 into 3 that is 3 4s are 12, 12, 13, 3 4 32. And 17 square that is 289 into 3, so that is 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, 26, 3 2 is 6 8, 867. So we have to find the mean also, since we know that the variance of x that is equal to summation phi into xi square by n minus mean square. So where mean is given as mean value is summation fi xi by n, where capital N is equal to summation phi, sum of all the frequencies. So that is 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5, that is 10, 10 plus 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 6, that is 22. It is 22. So this is the summation fi xi. So this would be 2 plus 17. And so this is 29. So 29 plus 51 plus 60 plus 36. So this would be 10, 60, 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 16, 17, 176. This sum will be 867 plus 432. So it's 1000 plus 600, that is 1032. Plus 72 plus 77. 70 of 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 70 of 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 23, 24, 2 plus 8, 10, 2048, 2048. So now summation FIXI, that is 176, this is summation FIXI, and this one is summation FIXI square. So this will be 176 by 22. This will be 11 2s are 22, 11 is 11, 9 is 6, 2 8 is 16, so that is 8. So the mean value is 8. Therefore, the variance of x, that is, which is sigma square, so that will be summation FIXI square by 22, 2048 by 22 minus 8 square. So this will be cancel with 2, 2 11s are 2, 1024. So will be 1024 by 11 minus 64. So this will be equal to your 1044 by 11. So we can approximately take it 1023 by 11 minus 64. So that this will be approximately. So approximately this is 11 nines are 99. 10235 divided by 11. Then this will this is divisible by 11 since by the sum of the even terms and sum of the even places minus sum of the odd places is 0. So 11 minus 99, then this is 3, 33, so 3 is 34. So this is 93 minus 64. So that is approximately 929. So approximately this is 29. So 29 is the answer. Where it is told if the mean and variance of the data is where alpha is more than beta are 56 and 66.2 respectively, and alpha square plus beta square is equal to. So now therefore the mean value that is given as summation xi by n. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observations. So n is equal to 10 here. And sum of all the observations, that is 65 plus 68 plus, to add them, summation xi. So 65, 68, 58, 44, 48, 45, 60, and 60. This will be 5 to the 10, 10 plus 3, 8 is 24. It's 24 plus 2, 28, so this is 38. So 3, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6 are 24, plus 3, that is 27. 27, 4, 27 plus 27 plus 3, before that 12 plus 5, 17. So this is 4, 14, 44. This is 44, 448. This is 448 divided by 10. So this is 44.8. So the mean value is 44.8. The variance of x, that is equal to sigma x square. So this will be equal to summation xi square by n minus x bar square. So then this will be 65 square, or we can do, okay, the 65 square plus 68 square plus 58 square plus 44 square plus 48 square plus 45 square plus 60 square plus 60 square and plus alpha square plus beta square divided by 10 minus 44.8 whole square. That is equal to 66.2. Alpha square plus beta square will be how much? Now the mean value is 56. Sorry. Mean value is 56. 2 plus beta also we have to include 2 plus beta by 10. This is equal to 56. is 65 5 plus 8 plus 58 plus 44 plus 48 plus 45 plus into that is 148. Okay, so therefore 448 plus alpha plus beta that is equal to 560. Therefore alpha plus beta that will be equal to 560 minus 48 that is equal to equal to 112. So alpha plus beta is 112. So this is our equation 1. And for variance, this way if we solve this will become the calculation will become complicated. So we will not do in this way. Yeah. Variance of x that is sigma square that is equal to actually you can say summation of xi minus x bar whole square by means we have to the mean squared deviation. Variance means mean of the squares of the deviations from the mean. This will be 65 mean as you know that is 56. So 65 minus 56 square we have to go. So that is 9 square. 65 so 68 minus 56 that is 12 square. Plus 58 minus 56 so 2 square plus 44 minus 56 that is also 12 square. Then 48 minus 56 that is 8 square. 45 minus 56 square so that is 11 square. 60 minus 56 that is 4 square plus this is alpha minus 56 whole square plus beta minus 56 whole square plus 4 square. That divided by 10 that is given as 66.2. So therefore I can say 9 is 81 plus 144 plus 4 plus 144 plus 64 plus 121 plus 8 is a 16 plus alpha minus 56 whole square plus beta minus 56 whole square that is equal to 662. So therefore alpha minus 56 whole square plus beta minus 56 whole square is equal to 662 minus of this sum. This will be 81 plus 88 plus 68 plus 121 plus 16 is 574. Is that alpha minus 56 whole square plus alpha minus plus beta minus 56 whole square that is equal to 88. And now from here 112 by 2 is also 56. So I can say this is alpha minus 56 plus beta minus 56 that is equal to 0 actually. So if I take this is x and this is y, then we can say from here x square plus y square that is equal to 88 and x plus y is 0. So it means y is equal to minus of x and so 2x square that is equal to 88. So x square will be 44. Square will be 44 which is same as y square also. So that is 44. So beta minus the same that is equal to minus of alpha minus 56. Sorry, this is the 4, 64 plus 121 plus 16 plus 16, so this should be 32. So that's 74 plus 16, so that is 590. So this will be 590. This is wrong. This is 590. So this will be 272. So therefore, x y equal to minus x and 2x square, that is equal to 72. Since y square, from here I can say x square plus y square will be 72. Since if I take alpha minus 56 is x and beta minus 56 is y. So from here we can say y is equal to minus x. So y square will be same as x square. So this is equal to y square also. So x square equal to y square, that will be equal to 36. So it means x equal to y equal to minus x. That is, I can say it is plus or minus 6. Now case 1, if I take x is equal to 6, so alpha is more than beta. Therefore, if x is 6, then it means that alpha minus 56, that is equal to 6. It means alpha will be equal to 56 plus 6, that is 62. And y will be equal to minus 6. So it means that beta minus 56, that is equal to minus 6. So it means beta will be equal to 50. So this one we can take since alpha is more than beta here. But if I take x is equal to minus 6, then alpha will come 50 and beta will come 62, which we can't take. So therefore alpha will be 62 and beta will be equal to 50. Therefore alpha square plus beta square, that will be equal to 62 square plus 50 square. 62 square plus 50 square. So now 62 square means 16 plus 2 whole square plus 50 square. So 60 whole square means 6,600 plus 4. 2 square is 4 plus 2ab. So 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 240 plus 2,500. So this is 3844 plus 2500. So this will be equal to this is equal to 6344. 6,344. Alpha square plus beta square, that will be equal to 6,344. So this is the answer. Then here it is told the mean and standard deviation of 15 observations were found to be mean x bar, that is equal to 12, and standard deviation sigma, that is sigma x, that is given as 3, and there are 15 observations, so n is 15. And on rechecking, it was found that an observation was read as 10 in place of 12. So let's say the 15th observation, it was read as 10, but actually it has to be 12. It has to be 12. So this one is the wrong one. It has 10 in place of 12. If mu and sigma square denote the mean and variance of the correct observations respectively, then 15 into mu plus mu square plus sigma square is equal. Now therefore x bar, so that is x1 plus x2 plus till x14 plus x15, that is 10 divided by 15, that is equal to 12. And sigma x square, that will be 9. So now I can say summation xi square, so x1 square plus x2 square plus dot dot till x14 square plus 10 square, that is 100. 10 square, that is 100. It is 10 square is 100. Ten square, that is 100, divided by 15 minus mean square, that is equal to given as 9. So therefore, I can say x1 square plus x2 square plus 10 x14 square. So that will be equal to 9 plus 144 into 15 minus 100. Now, therefore, the correct mean will be x1 plus x2 plus dot dot till x14 plus 12 by 15. So this will be summation. So sum of x1 plus x2 till x14, that will be equal to 12 into 15 minus 10. This will be equal to 12 5 is 60. 12 5 is 60. 12 into 180 minus 10, that is 170. This will be 170 plus 12 by 15. So this is 182 by 15. U is 182 by 15. The correct mean. So this is the correct mean. Then the correct variance also we have to find. Sigma square correct variance. So it is x1 square plus x2 square plus dot dot till x14 square plus 12 square 144 divided by 15 minus correct mean square. That we have to find out. Now therefore sigma square, therefore sigma square plus mean square, that will be obviously x1 square plus x2 square plus dot dot plus x14 square plus 144 divided by 15, which will be this square sum, that is, this will be 9 plus 144 into 15 minus 100 plus 144 divided by 15. This one is actually 9 plus 144 plus 144 minus this will be 44 by 15. So therefore, 15 into mu plus mu square plus sigma square, that will be equal to 15 into mu, that is 182 by 15 plus 9 plus 144 plus 44 by 15. So this will be 182 plus 44 plus this will be 9 plus 144, that is 153 to 15. This will be, that is 6. Same 12, 26 plus 153 into 15. That will be 15, that is 2295 plus 226. So that will be 2521. So 2521 is the correct answer. So hope all of you understood the solutions of all these questions on the chapter statistics. Still any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. And please install our Sapience education application also, which shall be obviously helpful for us. So thank you everyone. Bye.